Hello friends, how are you? In this video, I will talk about a popular games Rock, Paper, Scissors. It's a easy game. We play this game with our friends. I will make this game with scratch. First, we need a new blank project. First, I delete sprite 1 or this cat, and I need a new sprite. Choose a sprite, upload sprite. Okay, I select this sprite. It's a cover, it's not very important, it's optional. I make a cover. X position and Y position is 0. And I go to costumes. I edit this costume. First, okay, our cover is complete. Then I go to code. First I go to events and need on green for click and go to variables and make two variables. First delete my variables and make a variable. Variable's name player, P-L-A-Y-E-R, player for all sprites. Okay, then make a variable, it's computer. It's also for all sprites. First, I go to looks and show these sprites and go to forward 99 layers. And I go to variables, hide variables computer and also hide variable player. Then I go to events and need when this sprite click. When this sprite click, hide this sprite. Hide this sprite or backward 99 layers is also same. Then show variable computer and show variable player. And set computer to 0, set player to 0 also. Then I make our second sprite, upload sprites. It's our player's sprite. First I select rock and I go to costumes. Upload or to costume. Upload costume and I select paper and scissors. For easy to work, I hide our first sprite or cover. Then I convert this costume editor to Victor. First I resize our costumes or sprites costumes. Okay. Then our sprite go to X position 111 and Y position minus 63 or 65 is same. I rename this sprite to player. First I go to effects and need when space key pressed. When space key pressed, I need some change. When or key is pressed and I go to looks and need switch custom to scissors, but not scissors, is rock. When R key pressed, switch custom to rock. Then I duplicate this code. When P key pressed, switch costume to paper. Then I duplicate again this code. When S key pressed, switch costume to scissors. Okay, I click green flag and click this sprite of cover. I pressed P, paper, S, scissors, rock. Okay, then I go to events and broadcast message 1 and wait, but not message 1. I write a new message. It's rock. Okay, broadcast rock and wait. Then I duplicate this code. Broadcast and new message. It's paper. Broadcast paper and wait. And I duplicate again. Broadcast scissors. Okay, then I make our third sprite or our computer sprite. Choose a sprite or upload a sprite. First I select scissors or any costume of our computer sprite. I go to costume and upload another 2 costumes. Paper and rock. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper. I resize our scissors, our computer scissors. Okay. Then I go to code. First I go to events and need. When I receive paper, and I go to looks and need. Switch costume to scissors, but not scissors. It's pick random to 1 to 10. Pick random to 1 to 3. Then I go to control and need if then. If I go to operators and need equal to. If costume name equal to. If costume name equal to rock. If costume name equal to rock, I go to variables. Change computer by 1 but not computer. Change player by 1. Then I duplicate this code. If costume name equal to scissors. If costume name equal to scissors, change computer by 1. Okay, then I duplicate this code. When I receive rock, if costume name paper, change player by 1. If costume name scissors, change computer by 1. Okay, then when I receive scissors, if costume name papers, change computer by 1. If costume name rock, change player by 1. Okay, our coding is complete. I start this game. I pressed P, paper, and it's rock, so I get 1 point. Then I press S, scissors, so it's draw. Then I pressed R, rock, it's also draw. S, scissors. Okay, I got 2 points. Okay, it's alright. It's a simple game. You can make this game with scratch. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.